Okay, and
This is the first time you and me ever played before.
Yeah, except that one time. I think I can barely play right now because how laggy I am for some reason.
Think it's your storage, maybe?
Well, I just cleared out my storage, but for some reason I'm just lagging really bad.
Oh, that happened to me yesterday.
Yeah.
So, how have you been?
I've been good.
I see you reached 100 followers on TikTok.
Yeah, like 120 now. I'm surprised it took me. Yeah, thank you. I'm surprised it took me like that long. I didn't think it would take that long, but it's still very good. Like, yeah.
I remember the first time I had 100 followers.
Yeah.
You want to make a video together?
Well, I'm already recording right now.
Oh, you want to make a video together?
Sure.
Alright, go to Mirror. I have a video idea.
Okay. I'm probably gonna push it on my YouTube and my TikTok.
Oh yeah, I'm subscribed to your YouTube.
Oh,
I've been
thank
subscribed
you.
for a while. I should get the bowl cut. It's funny.
I was playing with one of my friends, like.
Alright, and then I'm a stand it in post. I was wanting to ask you this question. Oh dang, I lost it.
What?
Oh yeah, when did you start making girl tag videos?
I think like a month ago, actually.
I started, honestly, I don't know, because I have this other account that shows my face, and, well, yeah. And I started posting in the old Halloween update, not the new and the old one. And then I just stopped posting, and then I created a new account to post girl tag.
Yeah, I posted the only other video that I posted except Gorilla Tag is one fishing video. I was doing like fishing with my brother, but it shows my face, so I deleted it, and that's the account that I'm using to post videos.
Yeah, I love your videos.
Oh, thank you.
I'm surprised. I'm like, if you were to be like, I'm surprised you're not like one of the most popular girl tag content creators. Seriously.
Well, I think it's just because like I don't have good ideas and I'm not like the very best at the game. Because there are a lot of content creators that are better than me, but still don't even have like 1,000 followers on TikTok.
Well, like some content creators are like popular for like what their monkey looks like, or just how their videos are. Some aren't just because of their goodness. And I'm surprised you are like Jamin Curly.
Yeah, like.
Oh, and I don't think I've commented on your new video, but I love your new profile picture.
Oh, thank you.
How I loved the one where it, like had the Jamin Curly in the eye.
Oh yeah.
That was my favorite.
Yeah, the only reason I did that is because it was I thought it was just looked funny.
Yeah, I liked it.
Yeah. That outfit was actually very close to what I am right now, just without the scarf and without the rose.
Yeah. I've always wanted ever since you and me started commenting on my videos and all that. I was like, I want to meet him in Gorilla Tag.
Yeah.
Well, now it's happened.
Yeah.
Can I friend you in Oculus?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Do you want me to say my at? Or are you gonna say your at?
I'll say mine because mine's pretty simple.
Okay.
Where's yours? Mine's already updated. I guess we'll friend each other later.
Yeah.
Do you want to 1v1 maybe?
Sure. I feel like you're probably gonna win though.
I lately haven't been really, so I'll start off. Monkey.
Okay. I am lagging very bad right now. I think it's just because I have Lava Monkey, but I can barely jump up.
Alright.
Let me take my
30 seconds.
Oh wait, I have a jacket on right now. Can I take my jacket off?
Oh yeah.
Okay.